In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Google account disabled issue. So first of all, launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here I've already done it. Now click on the search bar and type in myaccount.google.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is simply sign into your account by providing your credentials. Right now, my account is not disabled, but I'll tell you what to do. So if your account has been disabled, while you sign into your account, you'll be able to see the message. In that message, they will explain why your account was disabled. Right over there, you'll also be able to find the option for appeal, or you can also find the option for try to restore. So what you have to do is simply click on those options. Now after you do that, simply follow through the prompts, answer all the security questions. Also explain why disabling your account was error. You'll also need to provide the active email address through which the Google can contact you. Now after you do all that, fill in all the information and submit the appeal. Now after the appeal has been submitted, Google will look into your request. If you haven't violated any terms and conditions and privacy policy, Google will accept your request and your account will be enabled again. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you fix Google account disabled. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.